In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add mathematical equations on WordPress. Easiest way. First, head to WordPress.com and open the Sites area of your dashboard. If you manage more than one site, select the one where you want to add equations. This keeps everything organized from the start. Next, go to the Plugins section. You can type the address directly or use the dashboard navigation to reach the plugin marketplace. In the plugin directory, use the search bar and type mathematical equation. You'll see a list of results. Look for the plugin named WPMathPub and click it to open its dedicated page. This plugin renders math as images on your site, which helps equations display consistently across different browsers and devices. On the plugin page, take a moment to read through the description. You'll see that it renders mathematical equations in WordPress as PNG images using either pmath native syntax or LaTeX input with server-side rendering. That means your equations are processed on the server and delivered as images, so readers won't need special fonts or client-side math libraries. If you're already comfortable with LaTeX, you're covered. And if you prefer a simpler native syntax, that's there too. Now move through the tabs to fully understand what you're installing. Open the Description tab for a general overview, then check Installation for guidance on how to activate and use the shortcodes or markup it supports. The Changelog tab shows recent updates, which is useful for compatibility and stability, and the FAQs tab answers common questions about formatting, performance, and troubleshooting. Spending a minute here can save you time later. When you're ready, click Get Started. This begins the setup flow for using the plugin with your WordPress.com site. You'll land on a domain screen. If you need a new address for your site, click Search Domains and look up options that fit your project. If you already own a domain, click the link that says you already have one. You'll be taken to a form to use your existing domain. Enter your domain name carefully to avoid typos. When everything looks correct, click Continue to proceed. Depending on your plan and configuration, you may see a few on-screen prompts. Just follow them to complete the setup. Once your site is ready with WPMathPub, you'll be able to write posts and pages that include equations using LaTeX or the plugin's native syntax, and they'll render cleanly as images. Keep a few sample equations handy to test, and if anything doesn't look right, revisit the install